I'm going to change my car battery, which is about the only thing that I know how to DIY for a car. But I think it's a very useful thing because yesterday the warning light for the battery lights up, and then today we cannot start it. So I got my brother to help me buy a battery. So I'm going to change it right now. Oh, okay. I don't know what's with it. Latch here. To disconnect. So negative first, then positive. Hi. Supposed to hook and secure the stuff. Just okay. So this is the other side of the hook. So this thing is just to secure the battery so that it don't jump up and down. But be careful of it. Okay. Okay, I think it's just super heavy. Okay, same thing. Put it in. Now to put will be positive first. Same for here. Make sure it's hooked below in just to be very tight.